This is it. We're on the road to Hammers, and as I'm driving down 81, it is blizzard condition. Salt trucks, snow plows, everything are everywhere. All of the trucks that we spent time cleaning, well, they're filthy because we're dragging them back there in the snow. We were going to take a 4-car hauler to head out to Hammers, and that way we could have the pre-runner, our Raptor, Bronco Raptor, and a side-by-side, Polaris side-by-side, and another vehicle. So we would have vehicles out there. We did all the work for the Rainbow trailer or the 4-car hauler that we were going to tow, and we tested everything whenever it was warm. And it's no longer warm. It's frozen. It's got fresh hydraulic fluid. The electric pump that was in it completely froze up. It was a big mess. We spent probably 8-9 hours trying to fix it, and we gave up on it and just went with a 2-car hauler to come out. So the cold is definitely messing things up. You know, one of the other things that I was thinking about was you have to be so incredibly lucky. You plan, and I've really enjoyed this experience